Hi, I'm Bier and welcome to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin Patio, the show where I will teach you all the important words that you need to know in easy to remember ways.
Hey guys, welcome back to Thai in 2 Minutes on Buzzin Patio. I'm Bier and I'll be teaching you about emotions.
So we're talking about emotions. So everyone in Thailand is always happy. How do you say I'm happy?
มีความสุข
Mi kwam suk.
Yeah, มีความสุข
And that means I can say that to you, or I can say pom mi kwam suk, I'm happy, or kun
Yeah.
mi kwam suk, you're happy.
Yeah, if you say คุณมีความสุข it's more like a question.
Okay.
คุณมีความสุข
All right.
Right?
Okay. So happy. And what about if you want to say, oh, you look sad today. You're sad.
เศร้า
Sao.
เศร้า
So that's almost like Wan Sao, Saturday is a sad day.
you're right, yeah.
So
Sao.
Sao. So okay, and that means you're sad. Or so you could ask someone, are you Sao? Sao mai? You sad?
เศร้าไหม yeah เศร้าไหม
Okay. And something that happens to me whenever I'm late home is angry. You look angry. What would that be?
โมโห
Moho.
โมโห
And that means that you're angry.
Absolutely.
Okay, so those of you people that are watching this series, if you're late home because you've been out too late and the wife or the girlfriend's not happy, you can say, darling, me moho.
Yeah, that's good. Right?
All right, okay. Joking.
พูดเล่น
Poured Len is
พูด
joking.
เล่น yeah
Okay, and if it doesn't matter, say, look, I don't really care, I don't care.
ไม่เป็นไร
My bim rai. That's quite a common word, isn't it?
That's actually suitable if you come home and your wife's like moho. You just say ไม่เป็นไร That's where you get the slap.
Okay, and please note that we do not take any responsibility for any accidents or anything else. All right, brilliant. So let's go back through that then. So happy,
มีความสุข
mi kwam suk, sad,
เศร้า
sao, angry,
โมโห
moho, joking,
พูดเล่น
poured len, and don't care, my ben lai.
ไม่เป็นไร
Sorry, I said that for you, didn't I? Sorry, my ben lai.
No ไม่เป็นไรไม่เป็นไร
Okay, all right.
Guys, that's me for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and be sure to click on the notifications. If you have any comments, any words that you don't understand, please comment them below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And hopefully I will see you in the next lesson. So thank you for watching and goodbye.